G'day folks, Vorak here from Lloyd's Auctions in Melbourne, here to present this one-of-a-kind beast, a 1989 Ford Maverick with a Hellcat engine swapped in. Guys, let's go take it for a spin. Hellcat engine, guys, paired with a 4L80 transmission. This thing is capable of up to 1,000 horsepower. Drives great. Sounds even better. You got the full Alcantara treatment going on. Doors, dash, roof, sun visors, and a GU custom steering wheel to boot as well. Brand new touchscreen in the car. Just a really great interior all round. So guys, make sure you head on to lloydsauctions.com.au, bid on this one-of-a-kind beast. You don't see these at all. One of one, lloydsauctions.com.au. This Saturday's classic car auction, guys. We'll see you there.